Moj.
Hello.
Yep, Alina, go ahead.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing amazingly well on a Sunday
Okay,
morning.
I just got onto the app today. I wanted to know, do you think that brands should have the first mover advantage and try to leverage this app, or should we wait around to see if it's going to grow and then post our energies over here?
I believe in the first one because the way I use any digital platform as an early mover advantage is not by looking at how it can benefit my brand or my positioning in the market. I always think how that experience will definitely help me in the upcoming platforms. What do I mean by that is, do you have any clue about Periscope? Have you ever used Periscope live streaming?
Yes,
All right.
yes.
I never grew on Periscope, but the reason why I was using Periscope in 2015-16 is so that I was just getting used to the live streaming app. So that I then become a little bit confident on Facebook live streaming app. So that then it helped me really deeply well on Instagram live engagement. That's where I grew my personal brand to a little bit more level as compared to previous years. And now that is helping me host voice live rooms on Clubhouse too. So I always think of any digital platform for any brand, if they are doing it for the first ever time with respect to any four shapes of form, which is text, image, video, audio. I always feel that they should be using that as an early mover advantage, not to see how it can help their brand, but to see how that experience will eventually help them exponentially scale their brand in digital platforms, not just that platform.
Okay, understood. So I understand that marketers should obviously be on the app to understand, how it is and how to use it and all of that. But my question was that when we work with a lot of different brands and we get this question from them all the time, is that should they invest their time and energy on a platform that is so brand new?
Give me two different client genres. Any two.
Say F&B industry is one we work with very closely, and say FMCG. Do you think brands like these should also have a first mover advantage and use? Because as marketers, I understand we have to, so that we get a hang of okay audio and video and live streaming and all. But we get the question from brand side, like should a brand like a company be on platform so soon, or they usually come in later?
Arena, what I understand is never a company will on be on the platform. It's the
Okay.
companies segments which are on the platform. So let's suppose a startup CEO founder might be on the platform. Let's say a
Yes.
marketing manager from that company might be on the platform. So if we are just talking about the FMCG which you just mentioned, I believe every founder of FMCG brand should be on this platform, not to
Okay.
grow their followers, not to see how that Clubhouse room or Clubhouse app would help their FMCG brand, but to network. How? I have been using this for 1 month, and not just as a personal brand. A lot of people don't know that I also run an agency. I have a 9 people team as well. So
Yes.
what I do is I tap on individual profiles. So let's say I'll take your example. I don't know whether you are this or that, but the first thing which I'll recommend you right now, because you are an agency owner, marketing company owner, you should be having your bio right now, because I'm not able to see
Correct.
any profile other than that, just the Instagram. But let's say you have Instagram link, that's a good part. So now when I'm coming to your Instagram, I'm seeing 4709 followers. You're a social media content creator, founder, CEO, social media dissect. If I click on that, that's how I'm networking. Now I'm seeing that social media dissect is also already following Digital Pratik on Instagram and has
Yes.
100,000 followers. So that's how I'll network. Now I'll tap on DM and I'll just say, hey, just saw you on Clubhouse room. Inside this particular room, I would love to network with you. I would just try to bring you on Instagram live and see if we can collaborate on something XYZ things. So that's how I'm using Clubhouse, and that's how I recommend every brand owner to use this platform. This is on honestly, I have been seeing this pattern. Like I joined this Clubhouse app on 9th January 2021 obviously, and in like first 5 days I understood that this is not a follower growing platform. This is a
Correct.
networking platform, and since then 70 to 80% of my time has been going into how I can be on different rooms where I have no fucking clue about any single person in that room, so that out of the 100 people which I would be listening to or I'll be part of, I can ping 5 of them on Instagram to network. All right. That's the thing which I would tell every brand owner right now. So yesterday I was having a call with one of the guys who is owning solar companies. All right, one based out in Australia, second in US, and third they are opening up in London as well. Their annual revenue right now is more, I mean their monthly revenue is more than 100 crores right now. And the founder, he's a very good friend, he's from Ahmedabad. How he is using Clubhouse is he's going into solar groups, all the solar power, solar energy groups, and he's just trying to network within the 12 people as well. Out of which yesterday he figured out two people who were door-to-door sellers, salesmen in the US, and he being in Ahmedabad, he was trying to figure out door-to-door salesmen. He figured out two people. He actually booked an Airbnb room in the US worth $4,000, and that person on the second day itself cracked a deal of $8,000. Out of the $8,000, he's split testing between 50-50 commission, and 50% commission for him was $4,000 which he invested in Airbnb. So now that's how he's going. So like there are plenty of opportunities every single day. I'm getting in touch with so many new people, businessmen, and I'm just trying to see how they are using Clubhouse. So definitely everyone who is capable enough to network or to speak like this in the voice form, audio form, should definitely use this Clubhouse app.